Colin Kirkland is my name. I'm from Bermad Water Technologies here in Australia. Bermad Water Technologies over the last 25 years have been supplying diaphragm-actuated control valves such as the Bermad 720 here for the last 25 years into water supply, mining, irrigation and building services. Valves like this model 720 pressure reducing valve are used specifically to regulate downstream water pressure when the valves are being used in a pressure reducing application within water supply networks. And one of the things which Bermad provide as a service here to back up the supply of our products is a considerable amount of education on exactly how the product works, how it should be maintained, and how it performs in different applications, and more importantly than that, how they should be installed with other associated components. So as part of that, Bermad have manufactured an interactive training facility to enable users and operators to come to see these products in live action, to get up close and personal to the products and see how they actually perform in a safe environment, rather than using the product in the application and having high risk. So what we'd like to do now is to show you the interactive training facility and how this might be useful to you as a user or operator of the diaphragm control valves. So we're here now at the training facility where we do a lot of the hands-on training for a lot of the specific components and products which we actually put together. We have a tank with a couple of pumps that can produce up to about 140 meters of head and flows up to a maximum of about 20 liters per second. We pass these two flows down through two parallel trains and we return the water back up and back into the tank. The key aspect of the design is that operators or users or visitors to the facility can come up very close to the products and actually see them operating very easily. Everything is visual, so you can see valves opening and closing. We can actually identify exactly what goes on in the valve train as shown on the screen here, where we can see flow rates, we can see pressures, and we can basically see everything that's going on in fine detail on the screen as well. The facility is set up with a combination of a variety of products. So we can see at the start up here we have some electromagnetic flow meters, some mechanical water meters, control valves, and also air release valves. Now, probably the most important aspect of this training facility is really to give confidence to operators and users, and also for designers thinking about how the valve is going to operate. In many instances, you not only want to see how the valve performs under different conditions, but you want to hear it. Because in many cases, noise is a very important aspect of a product that may interfere with households or an environment that's sensitive to noise. And mistakes can be easily made here without any risk to what's going on in the actual facility. We'll be demonstrating in a series of other videos exactly how some of these components work. You can contact our nearest sales office, whether it be in Brisbane, Sydney, Melbourne, Adelaide or Perth, or contact us via the web on bermad.com.au.